Mompha is a great guy. He's an awesome guy. He's a perfect gentleman that I really respect so much. I can't really remember how myself and Mompha started, but one thing I can remember is he's a great guy. Mompha has never judged me before. He has never judged me. If everybody is judging me, if everybody is saying all sort of things to me, Mompha will come to my DM and he will tell me, don't worry, you meet those people. Are you okay? Hope you are fine. He's like a brother to me. He has been there. Even before I became so famous, Mompha has been there. Yes, it's so wrong of me. At some point, I disrespected him. And that's why I'm doing this video. To tell him I'm sorry. A lot of people don't want to see me happy. The few people that showed me love, the few people that I can look back and call my people, these people actually want me to fight them. You know, and I'm sorry I fell into their trap. Mompha is a great guy. Me and Mompha, we never, ever dated. We never dated. Mompha is my brother. Mompha is someone that I can actually call and tell him things. Do you understand? Because he's even way older than me. Like, his age and my age is way, way, way older. Like I said, I messed up by disrespecting him. And that's why I'm doing this video, to apologize to him that I am deeply sorry. I want him to forgive me. He can still go ahead with the suing. He can still sue me. But I feel like it's 2021. I don't want to have any issues with anybody. I don't want to. So Mompha, this video is for you. I really care about you because you're like a big brother to me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry we had this misunderstanding that got to the internet, that got to everywhere. I'm deeply sorry. This was not my intention. My emotion was just too hyper that I couldn't control it. I want you to please forgive me. I'm deeply sorry. Please, big bro, Mompha, you know I'm your person. And I really care about you. Like, God knows that I really, really do like you a lot because you're a very nice person. The fact that you don't even judge, you're just a very free person. It's A1. So, to round up my video, I want to apologize once again to Mompha that I'm sorry. I'm still your person. I'm still your blood. I'm still your Bobrisky. You know how you call Bobrisky? Don't be upset with me. Don't be angry with me. I'm still a baby. Yes, I messed up. I'm apologizing to all your family. I'm apologizing to all your friends. I'm apologizing to everybody, to your fans, that they should please forgive me. And I want you to forgive me too, Mompha. Not because of anything, but because, like I said, it's 2022. I want to be at peace. I want to enjoy